Alright guys, so in today's video we are going to review Pexpay. So this is world's most secure P2P trading platform. And as well, before we start in today's video, I would just love to clarify to you guys that everything that you see here in this video is just for informational purposes only, or this is not also financial advice. Always invest what you can afford to lose. And of course, do not forget to subscribe in our channel. This is Crypto Addict here, back again with new contents today, and let's just jump right into it. Okay guys, so Pexpay is a platform wherein you can buy, you can trade, you can also trade with your peers because it is P2P. There's also a futures trading, there's also spot trading in here, and you do not need to KYC inside this platform. Okay, you just need to create your account. So how you can be able to create your account, let's try to open Pexpay on an incognito tab. Okay, so you can also search it on Google, and actually it will appear. So what you just need to do is just log in. Okay, so put in your email, put in your password, if you have an account, and as well if you don't have an account, you can just click on register. Okay, of course I will be putting the referral ID on the bottom side of this description, and I will also put the link for you to be able to sign up inside this platform as well. So that's just how easy it is, and just confirm or like put the code that has been sent to your email address, and then after that you're already good. It's already done. And actually, I will be showing to you guys here. Okay, I already created the account, and there's no KYC needed in here, guys. So of course, for just a quick introduction for Pexpay, so it is a multinational brokerage, a centralized exchange that are focused on global P2P, spotting even futures. So if you know P2P, guys, it actually makes it easier for people to buy and even sell, because you just need another party, which is also a human, to just offer you a current ad, and then if you just go, if you like it, just click buy. If you like it, you just click sell, and then you get your coins, you get your tokens as well. So that's just how easy it is, guys. So of course, let's just go back in here. What are the things that we can see here? There's a spot trading. Just click the right click in here, and then you can see this is very easy to use. Of course, if you have a USDT, and then you can just directly trade inside this platform as well. You can also trade a lot of coins in here. I believe there's more than 100 tokens or 200 tokens that are listed in here, guys. So there's really a lot in here, guys. Like, as you can see, here are some of the tokens. So I'm actually like scrolling down here. So I think there's 200, 300 tokens in here, and basically those tokens that are major tokens, which is on the top 200, are definitely you can buy it directly here. So as well, there are no fees in terms of P2P, but of course for spot there are just really less fees, but you won't actually feel it as well. So what is this my ads? Okay, so this is where you can post a new ad wherein let's say you have an offer, P2P trading, and what you just need to do is just enable the SMS. So how you'll be able to do that? So in my case, I'm going to do it while here into this video. So as you can see, and then let's just get the code, and then let's wait for our phone to actually it will be sent. So it's been sent here. So let's just put it here, and then let's just get the code from our email, and then let's go to our email, and then let's wait again for our email to arrive, and then it is here. So I'm just going to put the verification code. So that's already done, right? So next thing is you can also turn on the Google authentication. I would really recommend this, guys. So of course, if you have a Google authenticator, it will be easier for you to get the codes, and also it's a lot more safer because it has a different 6-digit code every 15 seconds, if I'm not mistaken. So let's get the email. So hold on. So this is 594056. So this is for email. So guys, there will be different 6-digit codes for you guys, because I mean, I believe there's really like a lot. I mean, it is always different, you know. So authenticator, I'm not sure if that's the right one. 740 create, and then let's just click the next. Okay, we can request a new code because it's not being reflected. Okay, maybe there's some delays. Oops. And then let's just click the resend code, and actually it's nice because it really works easy as a platform itself. So it's 986240. Okay, and then of course there will be a new Google authenticator. So let's just get this, and that's just easy. It is okay. You already secured your account. Okay, so I'm just going to enable the anti-phishing code, but I guess I cannot do it while doing this video because I think that's a sensitive information, so I cannot do that. But of course, let's just go back to the ads. Okay, how we'll be able to do that? So you just need to what will happen here is that since I haven't been able to verify my personal verification on my funds, okay, so of course what will be seen here is the price exchange rate, what is the payment method, which bank or which apps that you're using, what time is it being created, what is the status, is it active, is it inactive, or you know, and then of course how many quantity or in terms of USD that you're going to offer, and what is also the limit in terms of the transaction, and then it will be actually displayed at this portion over here. Okay, so you can also do a futures trading. So let's just go back on the trading side. So if you are much more of a risk taker, you're a trader, you know what you're doing, definitely you can do it here. I think you can even do 125x in here. So no one is actually what do you call that? No one is restricting you to do that. Okay, but of course trade cautiously. Okay, especially if you are a beginner, do not trade higher leverage because it will actually burn your account much more faster, especially if you do not use stop loss and also if you do not know what you are doing. Okay, so you can trade a lot in here, guys. So let me just show it right here. So there's a lot in here. There's a lot of perpetual, there's a lot of BUSD and stuff. So definitely that's something that you need to look forward into. So also the trading fee is at 0.02%, and this is safe and secured. As you can see, a while ago I just make sure that my account is safe. There's no KYC needed in here, guys, and of course there's also savings. And let's say you just want to stake, okay, you can definitely do it here. And compared to Binance and of course Bybit and other exchanges, it has 10%. However, of course, this is high because like there's not much funds that are injected inside this. As you can see here, the APR will be reduced the moment that the USDT deposited into the flexible savings turns out to go higher and higher and higher. So of course, maybe you can take advantage of that. And here are some of the fixed savings. You can also do this. 70% for AXS. So please proceed cautiously, guys. I know you know already what I always say into my channel. Of course, there's always a risk involved on every single thing that you are doing inside the crypto. Whether you are dealing with projects, whether you're dealing with exchanges, whether you're dealing with DeFi and stuff, okay, there's always a risk involved. Also, this is it is like a business. If you're not risking, then definitely you're not also gaining anything, right? So make sure to check them out on their Twitter account. They're also going to have a campaign that will start on September 16 to 19. So make sure to September 9 rather to September 15. So it will be for Pexpay futures. So 7+7 days fiesta. Trade to share 1 million rewards pool. Okay, so if you are someone who always trade, this is a perfect time for you to actually take advantage, because there are not much people that are using inside this platform. So this is just the criteria. Okay, so newbies refer to users who haven't been traded on Pexpay futures before September 2 are the ones that are included. And also you need to complete a long trade of at least 1 USD in futures trading and hold the contract for over 24 hours. And actually there's 7,000 USDT, I guess. And there's also $5 to $100 each, $5 to $100 US that you can actually make if you are the lucky winner. And also the activity B, which is the trading competition and cashback, wherein you will have a chance actually to get a free MacBook Pro and even more if you are trading in Pexpay. So make sure to check it out into their Twitter account. They're also going to make sure that they are going to post every single details inside this one. So this will be up in the next few days. So make sure that you guys are going to take advantage of it while it is still available, while it's still not being known by a lot of people. And of course, I will be putting a lot of links into description box below, and also some terms and conditions for those events that they are going to they're going to launch. So of course, you're just not going to like trade futures in here in Pexpay. You're not just going to buy anything. You need some guidelines, so I will be putting it as well into the description box below. So that's everything for today's video, guys. I hope you learned something, or maybe you find something relevant in Pexpay. And of course, if you haven't subscribed in our channel, do not forget to subscribe. This is Crypto Addict here, guys, back again with new content, and see you guys on next video. God bless.